Alrighty, guys. Now it's all making sense. I heard this mechanic down here raising hell. This is a Jeep Compass. A starter. He had to take the exhaust and the drive shaft out. I wonder why. Now y'all know these starters on these little 2.4 multi-air engines are a biatch. Oh no, it's got a transfer case in it. That's why he was raising hell. You can't even see the starter. The starter is above this. I just did one of these on a Compass, but mine wasn't all-wheel drive. Oh, holy crap! No wonder he was bitching. Oh, you have no choice, guys. You got to remove. Oh, holy. Oh, all of this for a starter. Lord have mercy. The piece. Oh, the whole damn axle. Look. Okay, he didn't want to take that part out. That'll always give me problems. Holy crap. All of that. The exhaust, the drive shaft. This might be well over a 5-6 hour starter job. Because I think we charge 4 or 5 hours to do the PTU. If you got to do the PTU and you still, damn Jeep Compass. You can't even see. That's the old starter down there, so I'm assuming he got the new starter. Look, you can't even see it. This in the way. So you have no choice. Holy crap. Whew. Better him than me, I guess. Oh my goodness. All of that for a freaking starter. Yes, guys, I think it's time. Imagine that ain't well, I ain't gonna say that. That ain't funny. But could you imagine? All right. I'm gonna have to give my brother some words of encouragement because he's a bigger man than me. I think I would have called in. Let me stop. I'm supposed to be JT the car guy. Nothing scares me, but I'm leaving. Just the thought. This will ruin my weekend. I gotta go, guys.